Right, we'll jump onto the radiator cowling now. It's not too bad, to be fair. It's actually better nick than what Annie's was, I'm sure. So what I'll do is I'll just get some sandpaper into it, rub it down, might get the wire wheel into it for stubborn bits, and then we'll get it primed and painted. Right, we'll get a bit of gritty sandpaper into it first, and see how it comes out. Right, I'll just crack on with that. That's not going to take any length of time at all. And then we'll come back once it's rubbed down. Might even get the wire wheel into it as well, just to speed it up. Right, that's it clean back. As you've seen there, I've done most of it with the wire wheel, and then the little bits that I couldn't get into, I just used the drill with the little brass brush on it and sandpaper. So yeah, I think that's ready for a degrease now, and we'll get some etching primer on it. Right, kitchen roll, that's all I've got, but it'll do the job. Just get the greasy marks off it. Right, we'll get that hung up and painted. Right, that's that, had a good shake. Autotech etching primer. I've used that stuff for years, it's pretty good. Right, just let that flash off, and then maybe give it another coat. Right, that's the cowling had 2 undercoats of the etching primer, so I've given the rattle can jet black. That's good stuff, that, by the way. Tool station, cheap, gives you a good finish as well. So I'm going to give this maybe 2 or 3 coats of the black paint. That's all covered for the first coat anyway. So we'll let that dry, We'll get the heater on it and then we'll give it another coat. I'll turn the fan round as well, because at the moment it's upside down. That way I'm ensuring all areas are covered. And this paint, it really leaves a nice finish. I really like it. So we'll get the fan back on and we'll let that dry off and I'll give it another coat. That's the cowling had another coat. I've turned it round so that it's facing the right way up this time. And that's its third coat. And it looks absolutely great. That paint is amazing. It really is. And you can buy that from Toolstation if you're in the UK. So I'm going to let that flash off for another 30 minutes. I'll put the heater back on it and then I'll give it one final coat. And hopefully that should do it. And then just put that away, set that aside. And by the time I come to fit it, the paint will be really hard. So yeah. Anyway guys, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.